एवरीवन। और आज मंडे है, संडे इज़ ओवर। संडे को मैं वीडियो नहीं पोस्ट कर पाया क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन ख़राब हो चुका है एंड ये आई एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रॉम माई मदर्स फ़ोन एंड यस फॉर सम डेज आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट द वीडियो फ्रॉम माई मदर्स फ़ोन बिकॉज वो फ़ोन ख़राब हो चुका है और उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा ठीक होने में, आई थिंक। सो यस, नाउ इट इज़ 9 in the morning and I woke up at 6. I was gone for a run and I stretched and then uh, you know मैंने पूजा करी। उसके बाद अब यहाँ आ गए हैं फाइनली हम। और अब देखते हैं आज मार्केट में क्या होता है। वी लुक फॉर ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, मगर काफ़ी मुश्किल है क्योंकि अभी पता है कि गोल्ड ऑल टाइम हाइस पे चल रहा है इस समय एंड ऑल टाइम हाइस की वजह से हमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कम मिलती हैं क्योंकि वो रेंज बाउंड मार्केट में नहीं होता एंड अनसर्टेन वॉलेटिलिटी कहीं से भी किक इन कर सकती है क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई डिज़ायर्ड लिक्विडिटी लेवल्स नहीं होते। सो येस, बट वील एनालाइज द प्राइस एक्शन फॉर होल डे and yes, let's see what happens. And yes, let me show you guys about the market today. So yes, this was what I was talking about. मैं इसके बारे में ही बात कर रहा था कि प्राइस ने क्या करा। we expected it to hold this range of resistance and yes, because Saturday Sunday में यहाँ उसने Friday में close करा था and we can also see that from this particular level we show bearish momentum after a big rally. We show sudden bearish momentum that symbolizes कि यहाँ पर maybe a little amount of liquidity was available. This was at 12:30 at 28. Let me show you at the less time frame also. So yes, here as you can see that there was a good amount of bearish momentum in this place, so we could expect that there was a liquidity sweep available here. यहाँ पे कुछ liquidity हो सकती है and we can also see यहाँ पे इसने double top या फिर double rejection from the 3085 level से follow करा and काफी अच्छे इसने डाउनवर्ड करा। then it retested this level and re-respected this level. यहाँ पे फिर से इसने री-रेस्पेक्ट करा लेवल को और इसी रेंज से वापस इसने रिबाउंड करा एंड देन वी कैन ऑल्सो सी इसने देन रीचेक करा इस लेवल को जो कि सिंबलाइज कर देता है कि हाँ इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है। बट इस टाइम इसने कम थोड़ा मूव करा, दैट मीन्स कि इसकी लिक्विडिटी इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर सून इनफ एंड मोस्ट ऑफ इट्स लिक्विडिटी हैज बीन यूज्ड। द इन्वेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज कुड हैव बीन दिस सेकंड पॉइंट वेयर वी सॉ एंड बेयरिश engulfing पैटर्न आल्सो और SMTB फॉर्म हो रहा था यहाँ पे एंड वी कैन सी व्हाट कि यहाँ पर इसने फिर इस रेंज को ब्रेकआउट कर दिया, राइट। सो दिस सिंबलाइजेस कि ये अब लेवल ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है एंड हेंस इट कैन नॉट बिकम एन इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल। जस्ट राइट हियर इट ब्रोक आउट एंड उसके बाद इसने फिर से रिबाउंड करा यहाँ पे करा एंड इट ब्रोक आउट दिस रेंज। मैंने सोचा था कि ये इस रेंज पर थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था मैं कि डाउनवर्ड मोमेंटम दिखेगा एंड प्राइस कुड प्रोबेबली मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हेड डाउनवर्ड्स creating this level, that is the 3086 level, as the all-time high. But as you can see, finally price has even broken out in a very good momentum and we are currently at the 3115.137 level and अभी मैं कुछ यहाँ से expect नहीं कर सकता because there is no fair value gap. This is not a fair value gap as it is completely checked and yes, अभी यहाँ पे कुछ bearish momentum हमको नहीं दिखा है but stochastics and EMA भी हमें ऊपर शो कर रहे हैं, प्लस ये 7 EMA भी हमें यही शो कर रही है। तो I can expect what I expect when I expect a move towards this level. Then if it wants to go up, it will go up, otherwise it will break up this the 3087 level, 3086 level and will break out and retest it, then head towards downside. That is the move that I would capture actually, but अभी हम पे कुछ है नहीं। So yes, this is all about analysis and let's see what happens. अभी हम कुछ एंटर नहीं लेंगे जब तक मुझे कुछ प्रॉपर प्राइस एक्शन सिग्नल नहीं मिलता। Another price action signal that we can look for is this breakout. If I see a gravestone candle or a dragonfly candle just right here and we can also expect an inverted hammer and we broke out this level in good momentum, so I could be placing a short scalp towards this level, but the price is currently highly unpredictable, so let's see what happens. So yes, this was it for current market analysis and what we expected, that we expected it to hold the 3086 level, but it didn't, and it broke all the way to 3112 level, and currently price is forming a bearish candle that symbolizes that the bearish liquidity may come to an end, but ये कोई confirmation नहीं है. So yes, this was about the market analysis. We'll see if we get trading opportunities. Otherwise, we have to follow a daily drill that are as follows. First, we have to read the self-help book, we have to do technical analysis, we have to journalize, we have to learn new things, and I'm gonna tell you what happened, people. So yes, this was all about, sorry, this is all about today. And अगर मैं कुछ ज़्यादा तेज़ बोल रहा हूँ या कुछ बोल रहा हूँ तो प्लीज़ आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम मेकिंग दिस वीडियोज़. So yes, let's see what is gonna happen. So yes, price is still advancing forward towards the 3127 level, and अभी प्राइस 3127 लेवल पर आया था, बट आफ्टर दैट इट क्रिएटेड अ विक at the 30-minute time frame till 3119.930 level, and I believe that could be a very important signal that could symbolize a bearish move to the downside, because after a long time we are seeing this kind of wick. But still मैं ये सेम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था इसके पहले जब प्राइस एड कर रहा था 3115 लेवल से, बट वैसा नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज अगर मैं वो ट्रेड ले लेता तो ऑफकोर्स आई वुड हैव लॉस्ट अ सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी नाउ. एंड येस, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू वन सिंपल थिंग, दैट यू डू नॉट नीड टू टेक एंट्रीज every day and everything that you see, because there will be thousands, I cannot thousands, lakhs, any, there will be infinite number of entries in the future. But if you have to make money, you have to focus on just one right thing. You have to focus on one trading strategy, and you have to focus on a sharp entry just based according to your strategy. अगर आप अपनी strategy के बाहर जाके entry लेते हैं तो there could be chances that you win it, but there would be high chances that you gonna lose only. And if you follow your strategy, then only you can capture high probability moves that are the most important thing in trading. ट्रेडिंग किसी को कोई नहीं सिखा सकता, सब आपको सीखना होगा. अगर आपके अंदर आग है कि हाँ मुझे सीखना है, अगर आप डेली 8 से 9 घंटे दे सकते हैं, अगर आप 5 से 6 घंटे दे सकते हैं इस चीज़ में, अगर आप सब कुछ खो सकते हैं अपना इस चीज़ के लिए, तो आप सक्सीड कर सकते हैं. वरना मेरे दोस्त ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा. और एंड येस, एनीथिंग यू डू, डिसिप्लिन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. And I have a strong manifestation in my mind. You will see me after in just a short amount of time, because I have been practicing this thing for a long time. I will clear a funded account, I will make good amounts of money, I'll show it to my parents, I'll leave my college or I'll take huge amount of leaves, I will stay in this room only, and I'll make ton of money until I fulfill my dreams. So yes, this is what my journey is all about, and I want all of you to please support it. To be frank, I'm gonna invest, or I'm gonna looking for a trade opportunity if price breaks below the 3106 level, because that is where we saw a little bit of mere consolidation, and I think that there is a little amount of liquidity available there, because at the 5-minute frame also we also saw amount of consolidation. So yes, if price breaks below that level, then I'm gonna be taking my trade with a very little stop loss. That is a very good risk management according to me. And yes, this is all about today. So I'll only invest, I'm gonna give you the summary. I'm gonna keep doing my other things, that is reading my self-help book, reading my technical analysis book, doing my journalizing, and hopefully I'm gonna write my own theory that I have found out by months of research, or months of research. It is based on 2 indicators that are basically the stochastics and the EMA. हम उसमें RSI भी include कर सकते हैं, but RSI I do not think is gonna work that much. So yes, it is a divergence theory that I'm gonna tell you about, guys, later. So yes, for today my main aim is to capture the move if price breaks below the 3106 level, because there is where I expect the liquidity is available, and I'm gonna go short or we can see that what the situation at that currently looks like. I believe that price will come down to 3106 level and break it. If it does, I'm gonna take entry, otherwise I'm done for the day. So yes, let's see what happens, and let's start doing the generalizing for today. The price is still moving up in a very good momentum to the upside, और उसने कुछ रिजेक्शन फेस नहीं करा अभी तक, जैसे हमने एक्सपेक्ट करा था। उसके बाद कोई रिजेक्शन नहीं आया, एंड इट इज़ स्टिल गोइंग, एंड इट इज़ करेंटली एट 3124 लेवल. So let's see what happens. We expected a bullish push to this side. हो सकता है may possible, but I didn't say that it was confirmed, and still it is going up, rising up, and let's see what happens. Currently it has 3125 level, 3126 to be honest level. Yes, so let's see what happens. सो यस, दिस वॉज इट. अभी एनालिसिस थोड़ी सी कंप्लीट हुई, अभी बहुत लिखना है हमें, तो अभी अब लंच का टाइम हो गया है. सो अभी लंच करेंगे, एंड देन वील कंटिन्यू आवर ड्रिल, and we'll start learning new things also. And I have just got into a position because I think everything was going in good, and we formed an indecision candle which was very important and necessary today. क्योंकि प्राइस बहुत टाइम से बुलिश रैली में, अनइवन बुलिश रैली में टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ट्रेल कर रहा है ऊपर की साइड में, एंड इट नीड्स टू क्लियर आउट. उसकी लिक्विडिटी क्लियर आउट करना इस समय बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मैंने अभी एक ट्रेड लिया जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क कर रही है, एंड आई वेटेड फॉर द कैंडल क्लोज एग्जैक्ट एंड इन्वेस्टेड द राइट पॉइंट. सो लेट मी शो यू व्हाट माय ट्रेड इज़ अबाउट करेंटली. So here, as you can see, here I invested opened my trade orders just right here at the 3122 level, where the price just currently formed an indecision candle after a long and uneven bullish rally, because price certainly gained, you can see there are many uncertainty in this bullish rally from this level only. So yes, the price needs to clear out its liquidity soon enough. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट ये ट्रेड गलत भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ मैंने एक बेसिस पे ली है जो कि ये इंडिसीजन कैंडल है. अगर प्राइस के अंदर भी बुलिश लिक्विडिटी है तो वो ऑफ कोर्स ब्रेक करेगी, बट आई स्टिल बिलीव कि उसे थोड़ा सा नीचे आने की ज़रूरत है. सो माई फर्स्ट TP विल बी जस्ट राइट हेयर एट 9%, एंड माई सेकेंड लिक्विडिटी लेवल would be approximately in this range, that is at 19%. We can be targeting, because if price breaks this level and do not hold this level, then the nearby liquidity will be available at this point only, from which price gained a huge momentum. And my final TP will be below at these points, because this is where from the price where it did a major rally, that it is at 27%. As you can see, this is what, swing trading gets you, and I have invested just right here. My stop loss will be at 2%, just above these, just a little above these highs at 2%. तो ये मेरे ट्रेड का एनालिसिस था करंट, एंड अभी और भी लिखना है, एंड वी हैव टू स्टडी दोनों बुक्स ऑल्सो, अभी दोनों बुक्स भी पढ़नी है. सो येस, माई पोजिशन इज ट्रेल्ड, आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट, बट कुछ भी हो सकता है क्योंकि प्राइस करेंटली ऑल टाइम हाई पे है. बट आई सॉ अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो आई टुक इट फॉर द डे, एंड yes, we will see what happens. So yes, now it's 4:58 and currently we are, let me see, in 3.20% in profits, and we have good amount of profit. We are currently being $325 if I take out the trade, and I think it looks good too because price saturates सा कर रहा है I think, but we have to trust our strategy only, और उस पे ही invest करेंगे, and I will not take out money any instant because at least I want to hit my TP of 9%. Then I'll be considering looking at the price movement to trail stops. But yes, this is pretty much of it, and we are going to hold the trade as long as it takes until it hits our TP or SL. And of course I'm gonna take my, I'm gonna trail my stop loss for the two profits if we hit our first TP. And yes, this is all about it. Currently I am writing my stuff down, making the notes and journalizing of exactly what I feel when I take this trade, and what I will feel if I win or if I lose this trade. So yes, this is pretty much of it, and I think for pretty much more 40-50 minutes I'm gonna journalize it, and then we are going to read our daily self-help book, which is The Magic of Thinking Big by Dr. David Schwartz. And then of course we are gonna read our pattern book, which is a very good book for technical analysis. I have read pretty much of it, and I have read mostly of it, and I recommend you to read it. This is Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. It is the second edition. It is more easy to read and more easy to understand. I want you to buy do not buy the first copy of this book because the drawings are very pinpointed, and if you want to learn technical analysis in a deep and a good way, then I think this book is made for you. And yes, so this is it. I have read many books before it only, and I'm gonna keep recommending you books, but yes, this is for it, and I'll see you guys in a moment. So now it is 6:30 in the evening, and the price came back to the investor level जहाँ हमने invest करा था वहाँ पे retest करा उसने, and now is showing good bearish momentum to the downside, which is very good for our trade. But still I expected it to hit our TPs pretty sooner, but प्राइस अभी भी कंसोलिडेट ही कर रहा है, जो कि एक अच्छा सिग्नल नहीं है. बट स्टिल वी हैव टू होल्ड एंड वी हैव टू सी whatever comes in our way, we have to see, and we have to trust our plan. So I'll keep holding my positions. We are currently up 2.5% approximately, where I could easily take out my money with a sum of $250, but we are just up 3.7%, where there was just a flush to the downside, and now we are at 4%. I could easily take out my trade at 4%. $400 is a win for the day. 4% a day is a win for the day, but I still believe that this bearish flush could even get to our TPs, and my TP are at $900 and even at $2,700, that is plus 27%, that I believe, because जो प्राइजेक्शन व्यू से ऐसा लगता है कि वो नीचे जाएगा, and if it goes then we'll make a good amount of money, and if it doesn't I will just take out my money when I'm in 0.5% loss now, and I strongly believe that it is gonna hit our TP in a good momentum. So let's see what happens. Until then I'm doing my work only, and yes, now after just
15-20 minutes we are gonna read the chapter, and then we are gonna read technical analysis book, and then we are gonna head to the gym. So yes, let's see what happens, and let's continue our work. As you can see, we're currently in 7.5% profit approximately. Yes, 7.55% approximately, and I believe this flush is going to be very good, and we are gonna hit our TP1 just right here. That is 9% for the first 4K, and then our next TP will be just set right here. As you can see, it is set just right there at the point of 19%. 9% for the day is extremely good, and I think that I should be taking it. So I think that I'm gonna take 6K out at the 9% mark, and yes, I will let the 2% and I will let the 4K trail with my stop loss adjusted at that moment. So yes, let's see what happens, and I'm gonna tell you people. Percent profit to be exact. As you can see, yes, and the price is making a very good bearish flush, as exactly जो मैंने expect करा था वैसे ही हो रहा है. I'm extremely happy to see this scenario, and this candle has just started, and yes, beautiful. So yes, I think that soon enough we are gonna take out our 9% take profit, and I'm gonna retell you guys that I'm gonna take out what approximately 6K of my, and it is 60% of my money out there, and I'll let only 4K trail, because 9% for the day is extremely good, and we rarely get these kind of days. So yes, we just need a little more retracement to the downside, and then we are gonna be hitting our TP. As you can see, we are currently at 7.7%, 7.5% in profit. Very good. 7.93. Now we are started to hitting the 8 line. We are at the 8.1% profit. Very good flash. Very good. So as you can see, we are in 8.15, 8.16%, 8.26, 8.52. Very good, man. I cannot believe that price is pushing that much. 8.52%, and as you can see, 8.32%. Oh man, come on. Push. 8.48, 8.53, 8.62, 8.7, 8.8, and we are just out. One trade is out for 9% profit, and second, I think I'm gonna pull out just right now, 8.82, and yes, we are just out at 9%. Very good. You guys just saw I took out 9% profit in an instant. As you can see just right here, we are 6K out at 9% profit. That gives us an approximately of $600. And as you can see, we currently have 9.3%. I'm extremely happy that I captured this move. I extremely respect myself that I follow my whole strategy, and the flush is extremely good, and let us see if we can hit our take profit soon enough for 19% and 19%, and that is, I believe, what, 27%. So yes, I'm extremely happy. As you can just see, we just took out 9% of profit for today. We are logged in and I'm extremely happy that I followed my own strategy. So yes, I have just completed my journalizing, and now we are done for the day in terms of trading. And now I will go to the gym. I'll head to the gym because it's 8 p.m. 8 baj chuke hain, and then I'll just read, after coming back from gym, I'll read my one chapter of the day for my book, The Magic of Thinking Big. And yes, that's all for the day, and then I'll edit the video. So yes, I'm gonna see you guys when I come home, and I'll show you what I look in the gym. जिम कंप्लीट, अब बस कपड़े चेंज करके अब जस्ट जिम से आके बैठा हूँ। एंड नाउ वी विल डू द लास्ट टास्क फॉर द डे, दैट इज़ रीडिंग द बुक। तो अभी मैं अपना सेकंड चैप्टर रीड करूँगा बुक का, देन वी विल मैनिफेस्ट टुमारो। टुमारो क्या क्या करना है हमें प्लान करेंगे, एंड देन आई एम गोना स्लीप। सो येस, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट इट, सो लेट्स रीड द बुक।